What's up guys, I'm Alex of Alive Records. Many guys ask me how I make good sounding recordings at home using guitar and drum software. Well, I'm not a big fan of using software, guitar amps and drum samples instead of a real deal, but still almost anyone can make a good sound using them just at home. So let's get onto it and see if we can achieve some acceptable result in a couple of minutes. Here I have a MIDI track which I previously created for drums. The drum software I'm gonna use is EZDrummer 2. So I have loaded the instrument and I'm gonna use the Power Better preset. Let's listen what we got. Sounds good, let's get to the bass. I'm gonna use Trillian from Spectrasonics for the bass guitar. And I also have a MIDI track for that, and I use a precision bass fingered preset, which sounds like that. Now that we got drums and bass ready, let's get to guitars. I have two previously recorded DI guitar tracks, which I recorded on my cheap Epiphone Les Paul. Take a quick listen of the clean signal. And the software I'm gonna use for guitars is Bias. I loaded it to the insert of a group track for both guitars, left and right, and this is the Mark II preset. Well, let's see what we finally have here. I think it sounds pretty decently. Notice that I didn't tweak any controls in the software nor used any processing such as equalization or compression. Basically, it's not mixed and mastered at all. Of course, this is not the peak of perfection and it may sound way better, but I'm gonna tell you about it next time.